Hello all, we at Digi University welcome you. Digi University is set up by IIT and IM alumni people in EdTech and real estate. Many companies experience uh, huge experience is backing us up uh, to train people in digital marketing and give them live exposure. Why we launched this course? We have been in our entrepreneurial role for long, and I think we have taken more than 3000 interviews to recruit people in our digital marketing team, and we saw that even good quality engineers, MBA students, the people who wanted to join our digital marketing team lacked a lot of basics that they should know about digital marketing. So we thought that let us start educating people so that they can be absorbed uh, in good digital marketing companies, and finally uh, can build our country to become a digital India. We also saw that these people who started learning digital marketing lacked knowledge of marketing, also core marketing, and we believed that digital marketing is an extension of marketing. You should know the fundamentals of marketing. So we made a course on the learnings of our entrepreneurial journey, marketing journey, real time experiences. We talked with more than 25 uh, entrepreneurs, head honchos, uh, HRs of top corporates, what they are looking for there in their digital marketing recruits, and then we build this course. Here we are telling you the fundamentals of marketing, fundamentals of digital marketing, and then growing you up for digital marketing roles so that your foundations are very strong. The difference from other courses is that we are not telling you directly to get into digital marketing. We are telling you marketing, and we have got a lot of experience, actual experience of marketing to people. Uh, the course curriculum has almost all the modules that a fresher or a person who has done 2 3 4 years of job should know about digital marketing, so that whenever he gets absorbed into the company, he can build upon that experience of this course here. uh, I am Ashish. I am one of the lead trainers of this course. Then there is Vivek, who has helped us create the course. Sukanta sir, who has mentored us in what are the fundamentals, what are the basics of this course should be. And I say that everybody can do this course. A student who is looking for internship and getting absorbed into a good company, if it is his aim, his or her aim, he should do this course. A person who has done 2 3 years of job in different field and want to change to digital marketing should do this course, because internship is also there. The people who are just starting out in digital marketing, entrepreneurs, uh, who doesn't have lot of knowledge about digital marketing, should do this course. It will create your fundamentals. It will give you a framework on which your digital marketing planning can be done. So there is no hard and fast eligibility. You should know uh, computer. You should have exposure of internet, because digital marketing is marketing over internet, and I think we are good to go. Internship, after completion of your course, you will get internship from Digi University's side. Then there are doubt classes, because lot of doubts have come to you in duration of course or in duration of your internship. So every week we are doing a doubt class. You can come into it, ask your doubts, get clarified, and finally you are certified for both your courses and as well as uh, digital marketing internship. Validity of course is 1 year from the day you join in to 365 days, and I think that is more than enough for you to get a good grounding in digital marketing. So best of luck. Welcome to this university. Thanks.